Vitarate app. So here's how it was called: Vitarate Health Tracker. So this is what it is. But now if you tap on this app, it's just renamed. It's renamed to Heart Rate Monitor. Measure your pulse and HRV, get your detailed reports, log blood pressure. So you can't measure blood pressure. You can just log it, log your blood sugar, calculate personal BMI. So this app is intended as an auxiliary tool for personal management. All health data and analysis results provided by the app are for reference only, cannot replace professional medical diagnosis or treatment. It's a leading heart rate monitoring health management app designed to help you understand and improve your heart health comprehensively. And then you can just see the details. You can just go and install it. I think this is a Chinese app, as you can see, built by Shenzhen Technology. And then you can just open it up. I think there are like hundreds of apps like that. You can receive notifications. And then you can just tap to continue. Then there is weekly access, and then there is yearly access, and then you can just go in here and tap the first measurement. You can see the details, and then you can just access the camera like that. So that's how you can just easily measure it. Again, I don't know all the details, whether this app is completely and then you have settings, and that's you can add all of the details, and that's what it is, and that's where you have it like that.